You should enter BALA for the recognition. It is the top awards for housing for the National Association of Home Builders. There's so many different categories. There's single family, there's production, there's custom, there's remodeling, there's multifamily, we have specialty detail.
Green.
The Best American Living program is really unique because it was one of the early ones to feature and emphasize sustainable design and community design and the integration of home, community, and the environment.
Best in American Living has been a stimulus for our firm.
The national award from BALA and NHB is a very, very special honor, and we're just totally delighted to be here.
I'm convinced this is just the beginning of another growth spurt for our industry, our magazine, our awards competition, and this wonderful event.
Just fill out the paperwork, something we've never done. When you have a great project, you know you have a great project, but you don't get the recognition because you're working so hard, and just take the time to do it.
And I encourage everybody to enter, because let me tell you, if you have a product that is absolutely fantastic, and it may not fit in one of the categories, the judges have the discretion to give it a special award.
If we can win BALA awards, we know that we can get work all over the country, so we're very proud to win them.
We've done a great job of promoting BALA, not just the awards, but also the magazine, the blog, the website. So if you're looking for information, Best American Living Awards on Facebook and Twitter,
LinkedIn
also, so we're there.